So today for lunch, I'm making tuna mixed with avocado instead of mayonnaise. And I'm just going to mash this all up in here. Tuna sandwiches for the kiddos with black olives and pumpkin seeds and apples. So that'll be the sides, pumpkin seeds, apples, and black olives, and then I'm just putting the avocado into the tuna for the filling for the sandwich. And tuna, I guess everybody will have their own opinion about tuna. I know it's in a can, so there's probably BPA, but fresh tuna is very expensive. And it's wild caught. I like that it's not farm raised, so at least it's wild caught. And we don't eat it, but maybe once every couple of weeks. So to me, it's not a big deal to have one canned thing twice a month, you know. So this is my bread. I freeze my rolls. I think I've shared that with you guys before. And then I just defrost them, and they taste fresh, you know. So little sandwich. Lots of black olives. Lots of black olives. They love these black olives. And then some pumpkin seeds. And pumpkin seeds, obviously they're very healthy because they're seeds, but they're really good to eat right before bedtime or nap time. I don't know why, they do something to make you calm and relaxed and to just sleep more deeply, so it's pretty awesome. Lunch is served. Picnic time because it's so gorgeous outside.